Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the symptoms of bad motor mount. A motor mount secures the engine to the chassis of the car. Imagine when you're driving on a bumpy road. Without motor mounts, the vibrations from the engine would be transmitted directly to the car's frame, making for a very uncomfortable ride. Therefore, the motor mount is crucial as it helps isolate the engine's vibrations and prevent them from being felt in the car's cabin. So, what are the dangers of a bad motor mount? Increased vibrations. A bad motor mount can cause excessive engine vibrations, leading to a rough drive and potential damage to other components. Engine misalignment. If the motor mount fails, it can misalign the engine, leading to potential engine damage or even failure. Exhaust system damage. A bad motor mount can also misalign the exhaust system, leading to leaks and potential carbon monoxide poisoning. Transmission damage. If the motor mount fails, it can cause stress on the transmission, potentially leading to costly repairs. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Excessive engine vibration. Vibrations that can be felt in the cabin or seen in the dashboard. Clunking or banging noises. Sounds that occur during acceleration, shifting, or sudden stops. Engine movement. The engine may appear to move more than usual when accelerating or shifting gears. Transmission jerking. The car may jerk or lurch during acceleration or shifting. Reduced acceleration or performance. The car may have reduced acceleration or overall performance due to increased engine movement and vibration. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix this issue. Replacing a bad motor mount typically involves removing the old mount and installing a new one in its place, which requires specialized tools and knowledge, so it's recommended to take your car to a professional mechanic for this repair. Thanks for watching.